Good morning. This is Jason Withers, sales manager with A1 Marine, Moravia, New York. This is a super clean, nice, one owner 2016 Larson LX 225S. Comes with that trailer that you see underneath it, nice heavy duty tandem axle. Thing is super clean. Didn't see any scratch in the gel coat. Notice it's got that super big swim platform on the back with a nice 3-step ladder. As you come to the rear, you see how big this swim platform is back here. Like I said, super clean, super nice. Inside, it's got the snap-in carpet. Real nice seating configuration. Nice open bow. Lots of seats. And as you take a peek in this motor compartment, super clean. Pretty much taken care of with open checkbook. Full gauges. Like I said before, it's got that Merc Cruiser 4.3 MPI in it. Any questions on this boat or any other boats, come down to A1 Marine in Moravia, New York, and take a peek.